Hi, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and FPV is taking over the drone world. With that said, the new DJI RC Motion 2 controller is making FPV users very excited, and it is now officially backwards compatible with the Mini 3 Pro and the Mavic 3 lineup, such as the Cine, the Classic, the standard Mavic 3, and the recently released Mavic 3 Pro. Now, side by side, the Motion and Motion 2 controllers are nearly identical. However, there are some major differences. For instance, the trigger or accelerator now allows for backwards flight. This feature alone is a game changer and is saving pilots from collisions everywhere in a moment's notice. The record button is the same, but the camera functions have been made extremely accessible, so with the scroll wheel labeled FN, you can now make adjustments to the camera as needed. Now, on the top portion of your controller, your charge indicator lights are located at the same place, as well as the lock and mode buttons. But the brake button has been replaced on the Motion 2 with the joystick, giving you more control over your flight. Now, don't worry, you did not lose your brakes. They have simply been added to the lock function button. The power on button stays the same, as well as the USB-C charging port. Personally, the most exciting thing about the backwards compatibility of this controller is the ability to be paired with both the new Integra or Goggles 2, which were all recently made compatible with the whole Mavic 3 series, including the Mini 3 Pro, which are all available here at Florida Drone Supply. For those of you just starting out, the DJI Avata Explorer combo comes equipped with everything you need to start your FPV adventure. For more videos about the backwards compatible Integra goggles, where we will show you more about pairing and testing these features, as well as all things FPV, Florida Drone Supply has you covered. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.